Today's video is going to be about this Dolphin Triton PS. This one was working fine in the beginning. After a couple of months, it started working weird. It would stop, it would flip over, it would not do what it was designed to. So what I did on this video was I opened it up and I found the problem, and I will share that with you, and I will be saving you $200 to $1,000. 200 for the repair, or if you're thinking about replacing it, you'll be saving $1,000 at least on by just watching this video.
It's the pool cleaner. It's not working right. It worked last year, but this year for some reason it doesn't work. And look, this is the reason why. It took me many research to find out why is this thing doing, because it cost me about $1,000. I don't want to go and buy another 1,000. So when you start researching, you find out obviously this propeller is tangled up with so many stuff that is found in the pool. In my case, it's hair, human hair, mixed with pine leaves. And those pine needles and the human hair doesn't get together very well. So I have no choice but to unscrew, remove the propeller, clean it out. Then this will work. Now, I might be sounding very confident. That's because I'm sure you could tell I've done this many times with this particular pool cleaner. It's nothing with this brand or anything like that. All pool cleaners will face the same thing. Anything that is moving, anything that has movable, whether the fan or gear, whatever, if it's moving, you're going to have problems. Okay, you're going to have to clean and maintain. In this case, the pool is located near a lot of trees, so leaves fall. Humans take shower in the pool, use the pool, hair come out. So what happens? The cleaner job is to clean. So when the cleaner is cleaning, this stuff going through the propeller and it's getting tangled up. It doesn't happen within a month or two. It takes about a season or two to get this. Last season, I was using the pool a lot. My family was using it. So I had to clean it like this about 2 times, maybe 3. So I know if you have a pool cleaner, you are going through same issue as I am. So if you have been watching my videos, it's all about helping others, helping homeowners, tenants, how to fix house to how to fix their cars. I try to give people as much as possible. So this is no different. This video is going to serve the same reason. I hope to save you thousands by not getting another one, by being able to repair on your own. And I hope that you are able to open it like you saw how I did and rectify this situation. It's very easy. If you're not sure about it, just take a video of you doing this stuff and take a video of you taking it apart so you could watch it and not make any mistake and put back everything together. It's very simple. It's very easy to put things together. However, if you're not careful with these plastic things, it might break one notch or the other, then you'll have issues. You don't want that. It's very simple. Don't force it if it doesn't go in. I would watch a video or I would take pictures while I'm disassembling it. That's what I did in the beginning. Right now, I've done it for so many times, I remember what goes where. So this is a great repair where you don't have to buy anything. You just have to clean it to the next level. I call it deep cleaning, because you got to clean your basket whenever it's full. But the propeller, you don't have to clean it every time the basket is full. But before you start the season, clean if you haven't cleaned after. And somewhere between the pool season, you would have to clean it. And I guarantee this pool cleaner or any pool cleaner that you have similar issue, it's not working the way it used to when you first bought it. This is one of the main issue, very common among all pool owners. The pool cleaner propeller gets all tangled up, which logically makes sense. So once you get it cleaned out, put everything back together, put it back in the pool, and then as you see, I dropped it. Now I'm hoping for the best. I turn it on, and the pool cleaner is getting initiated, and look, it's climbing the wall like it used to. I love what he's doing, and this is what I'm looking for. I saved my
I hope you find it beneficial.